Here we go. We are just about done with SpongeBob. You just about have completed all your ideas, just about done knowing how to make everything to size in SketchUp. So it's pretty exciting now. Last thing we got to deal with is SpongeBob's teeth. So the teeth have to be centered. The teeth have to have a gap in between them. And the teeth have to be 20 millimeters wide. And that gap in between them is 10 millimeters, and they're 30 millimeters tall. So we are going to come here, go back into SketchUp for Schools. I'm going to click my guide tool again, or tape measure tool. Go from here to the midpoint, 5 millimeters in between. So I'm going to go 10 millimeters in between, so 5 each way, 5 this way, 5 this way. I like to erase that center line just to make it a little bit cleaner. And then 20 millimeters wide. So I'm going to come back here, tape measure, 20, 20, and then 30 millimeters down. And now I have the beginning of the teeth. I'm going to go back to the rectangle tool, which is under the circle tool now, because we've been doing so many circles. I'm going to go from the intersection, front view, intersection here to intersection here. Intersection here to intersection here. Taking a peek in 3D, looks like I got teeth. Coming back and doing some erasing. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Because I did some drawing in here, it actually turned this into a surface right here. So I need to kick that back again. That original 20 millimeters. Pull that back, and it says on face, and it's right there. It says distance of -20. Perfect. Now these have to go back 5 each. So now I'm going to click here. I'm going to drag back and type 5. Drag this one back and type 5. And now I have SpongeBob's teeth all done. And I am ready to go. Again, remember, always using the undo button. If you screw something up, undo it till it's right and then go forward. So we're going to just double check those teeth sizes with the dimension tool, which is underneath the tape measure again. Pull that down for a tooth. I'm happy with that. Pull this over for a tooth. I'm happy with that. And we are good to go. The next part is the fun part of coloring.